Dell is hiring people for the role of software quality engineer. In this video, let's see what are all the procedures you want to follow to apply for this job role, and let's see some of the eligibility criteria for this job role. First, let's see about this company. Since 1984, Dell has played a critical role in enabling more affordable and accessible technology around the world. As an end-to-end computing solutions company, Dell continues to transform computing and provide high-quality solutions that empower people to do more all over the world. This is about the company. If you want more information about the company, you can browse through internet. This is the official company website. If you have any queries or if you want to know about the technologies that currently Dell is using, you can go through this website link and you can know the informations about the Dell. The job role they are currently giving is software quality engineer. And let's see the job description for this role. This position is expected to be responsible for quality assurance testing of diagnostic software for Dell EMC hardware systems. You are expected to work in global collaborative environment with a highly talented team to drive solution excellence and innovation by leveraging industry advanced technologies. This is the job description, and they have given some of the responsibilities of the candidates. The first one is design and develop automation and test solutions under guidance to provide leading quality for diagnostic software to support use case of HW design validation, manufacturing, and at field diagnostics in data center. Work closely with the developers and program managers on defect resolution and contribute to the achievement of organizational goals and objectives. Responsible for qualification, narrow down, reproduce, track, and verify bugs, and appropriately communicate to stakeholders, delivery qualification report to stakeholders, analyze and revisit the test data and test result, re-evaluated existing process, and provide feedback for the best practice for product delivery, cooperates with peers in a truly globally distributed development team. This is the responsibilities. The skills required are 0 to 2 years of SW quality assurance experience, interested in SW QA for tightly coupled software or hardware product, basic knowledge of computer architecture, experience with Linux environment is a plus, experience with Python scripting is a plus, strong problem resolve skills, patient and a quick learner on innovative technologies and products, professional oral and written communication skills, strong team player and ability to work in a fast-paced global team. This is the skills they have mentioned. Using these skills, you can able to prepare your resume for this company. The location given is Bangalore. Experience needed is 0 to 3 years of experience. And they have mentioned some of the eligibility criteria like educational qualification is BA or BTech, CSE, IT, ECE, or any circuit branches, 60% or 6.5 CGPA and above throughout without any running backlogs. 2020 and 2021 graduates can apply for this job role. And this is the link where you can apply for this job role by visiting the official jobs dell.com. And let's see what is the procedure and how you can apply for this job role. After clicking the link that I have shown before, you will be redirected to this page where they have mentioned some of the basic informations about this job role. This is the official jobsdell.com web page. The job role is software quality engineer and the primary location given is Bangalore. And they have given the general summary. The group provides innovative, scalable and industry-leading software solutions to manage, validate, emulate Dell EMC storage, server products and systems in modern. And they have given responsibilities and the skills requirement. I have already shown these informations. And they have mentioned the education required is Bachelor of Electronics and Information Engineering and related major. If you fall under these category, you can apply for this job role. let me apply for the job role. Before going to apply, let me tell the other shortcut. If you want any jobs, you can give your location and the keyword for your job. After that, you can search for your job and you can apply for other job roles too. After clicking this apply now button, you will be redirected to this page where there will be a registration form. You want to apply for this registration form, and they have given some of the basic information you can be added: first name, last name, email, mobile number, category, location, and career level. These are the things you can apply, and after that you can submit your application form. After that you can further proceed with your interview. I will be giving the apply link for this job role in the description and with the Telegram link. If you have any queries, you can follow me in Telegram. All the best for your interview preparation.